Hello guys, and welcome back to today's cryptocurrency video. And today we are going to be looking at internet computer, or ICP. ICP is currently at the $10.8 level. We are currently ranked at 19th with a market cap of about $4.95 billion. We have a 24-hour volume of about 81.39 million dollars, and today we are going to be looking at the price action, the technical analysis, and price prediction right here for ICP. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the video. Right. So right here for ICP, as you can see, we are down 17.2% in the last 1 week, and in the last 24 hours, we are down 3.9%. Without further ado, let us push to the chart. Right. So we are on the chart right here for ICP versus the USD Theta. We're on the daily time frame. Binance is the data source. Right. And so right here for ICP, right, we said prices move from level to level, level to level right here. And as you can see, the moment we saw that prices went above, for some of you that has been with us on the channel from last year, we said prices went above this our macro EMA, the purple EMA, and as you can see, our trending EMA was also green. We said ICP was very bullish. ICP was around the $3.3 level, and since then we have reading ICP right there to the around the $10 level, which is a whopping 378% to the upside right here for ICP. As you can see, all our EMAs, right, our trend EMAs have still remained bullish. Currently, as you can see, our we did a warning video. We said warning last week, right, that we are seeing some sort of huge patterns, which means we could see a little retracement. And as you can see, everything has happened exactly as predicted, right? So what is next, right? We are expecting one last push to the downside right here for ICP towards this $8.7 level before we see that sort of massive bounce to the upside. And I'll tell you why we should expect one last push to the downside, even into this $8.7 level. This could be your last opportunity to accumulate even more ICP before we see another massive push to the downside. The first reason right here is that we are still seeing huge bearish divergence, huge selling price action from the bears, right? So far the bears are not exhausted. We could continue selling off right here, and that's why we said our prices could go as low as the $8.8 level before we see that massive bounce to the upside, right? So we need to make sure that the bears are out of the way and they get exhausted from their selling before we see even more bulls coming in. Another reason right here why we should expect one last push to the downside to the $9.0 level is the king of the market, Bitcoin, right? We notice that whenever Bitcoin pushes to the downside, which we have seen in the last few days, a lot of coins, also including ICP, seizes that push to the downside, right? But that is not the catch, right? Can you see this, right? Every time we see a cross on the MACD for the Bitcoin on the 3 days time frame, we touch the bottom of the Bollinger Bands and then see a massive bounce. Touch the bottom of the Bollinger Bands and then bounce. Same thing right here. Cross on the MACD, touch the bottom of the Bollinger Bands and then bounce, right? Same thing right here. We saw a cross on the MACD, touch the bottom of the Bollinger Bands and then bounce. Same thing right here. Cross on the MACD, we touch the bottom of the Bollinger Bands and then bounce. Same thing right here. Now, currently we have seen that cross on the MACD, which happened on the 29th of December right here. We are pushing to the bottom of the Bollinger Bands, which is at around the $38,000 level. So Bitcoin currently is at 40,900. We could see another push to the downside right here of just about 2,000 into that $38,000 level before we see a bounce on Bitcoin. So that could mean if we are expecting some little dump on Bitcoin, we could see that little dump too for ICP into this $9 level before we see this sort of massive bounce, right? So this is the last opportunity you have to accumulate even more ICP on right there on that dump before we see this sort of massive bounce to the upside. We are long term still massively bullish on ICP, as we are expecting ICP to get into that $23-28 region in the next few months, right? So that is the update right here on ICP. If you like the channel, please do not forget to click on the like button, click on subscribe button. Thank you for watching and have a blessed day.